All right, everybody, it's Hey Jon. I jabber opportunities nonstop. How's everyone doing today? How is our coins doing today, right? I mean, holy cow. What a day. What a day for everything. How's everyone doing today? It's a beautiful Thursday, right? Let's see what Dogecoin doing right now. Let's see what Bitcoin doing. What is going down with the world? Everybody's. Hopefully everyone's doing well today, I hope. It's a beautiful day. Hey Corey, hey J Mez. What's up, guys? And gals, of course. We got Brazil in the house. What's up, Brazil? How you doing, Brazil? Never been there, but I'm pretty sure it's a beautiful country. Can't complain. Hey, what's up, Germanato Inc.? What's going down, my friends? What's going down? Cafe Baracco, what's going down, bro? What's going down? Holy moly. Is Shiba pump and dump, Hey Jon? Well, I mean, it's definitely trash, but I don't know if it's gonna be a pump and dump though, but that's definitely, you know, opinion for sure. What's the deal with Doge? Okay. Let's check it out. Let's see what's going on with Dogecoin, right? Absolutely. My pleasure. Okay, let me go ahead and see what's going on with Dogecoin, all right? All right. Well, actually, let's first do AMC, okay? So AMC, don't worry, I'll cover everything. I'll do AMC, GME, and then Dogecoin and Bitcoin. I just want to do these two first. I want to do GME and Doge and AMC first, and then I will go into Dogecoin specifically. All right. So let me see how the day went for AMC went. So this morning in open right here, I was with you guys in open here. So I was with you guys this morning here, right? We were seeing a downtrend, and it broke out of it apparently, and then it went back down. Wow, and it tested about 37.66. It broke down below two supports here, and it bounced back up. Okay. Okay, so it showed some strength here, but the strength was after hours though, right? So that's a funny thing about AMC. It was showing strength after the market closed, and as you know, pre-market and after market for AMC, GME, whatever stock you could think of, well, these stocks are low liquidity, and it's easy to push your price up and down pre-market and after market. That's kind of why usually I don't really bother looking into it, because to me it's kind of whatever's. Let's see here. So hopefully some folks were taking profits today and yesterday, because AMC, I mean, it closed strong, right? I mean, it closed at about 52.72, but of course it opened at let's see where it opened at. Where did it open at here? Here we go. It opened at $50 though, right? So open at 50, okay, and then it closed at about 52. So it closed a little higher, but I don't know, man. To me, it's always sketchy when you see those kind of things like that. So I mean, overall, it did okay. Current price $51. That's not bad at all, right? So the thing with AMC now here, right? You're seeing an inside candlestick. When you see an inside candlestick, that usually means that, you know what, we're seeing some indecision here, okay? All right. So what is an inside candlestick? That means that the price range traded inside the previous day's range there. And, you know, so when you see a smaller trading range, then you know what? I don't know, man. Usually it often signals some consolidation, right? And you see a series of inside day candlesticks that could be an indicator for a trend reversal. So overall though, AMC as a business is still garbage in my opinion. Of course, you can make money off of garbage for sure. And there's an AMC short squeeze. There's tons of media outlet here. So, oh yeah, music. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot. Let me turn on real quick. I'm sorry, I forgot about that. Whoops. You're right. There you go. I forgot about the music. There you go. Right. My bad. I forgot music actually. It just kind of whoop, crossed my mind here. So AMC is Tuan Win. Is AMC still bullish? Well, I want to say AMC is bullish, but if you see a few more days of more inside candlesticks, that means you're seeing consolidation, and it could be a setup for a reversal of the trend. So it could be bearish. But in the interim, though, every day, if this continues, you see a smaller and smaller trading range every single day. So this is the beginning of it, though. So there's no guarantee, but definitely something to be aware of and to watch out for. I mean, if you made money on AMC, right? I've been saying to you guys for the past 3 or 4 days here, take 5 to 10% profits each day, right? I've been clearing for 3 days now, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so 3 days. If you took 10%, that'd be 30%. If it's 5%, you're taking 15% off the table, and those are profits in your account. And I always say, moolah today is better than moolah tomorrow. So that's kind of where AMC's at. Let's see GME though. Let's see what's GME doing real quick, and then we will go into Dogecoin. Lucky Ranch Railroad LR says, I love your, hey John, love your stuff. I'm going to make a custom box car with your logo on it. Keep up the good work on keeping us updated. What's a box car? That's interesting. What's a box car? All right, so back to GME real quick, and then we will go to Dogecoin, okay? All right, so oops, Control Z. And by the way, when I say take profits, right? I want to clarify, when I say take profits, I'm not saying sell your whole portfolio or your whole position. I'm saying take a portion of your position, right? So you can ride up and down here and make profits either which way. And I always say it is good to sell into strength. A random hero says, what's up, John? A random hero says, what's up, John? Hope you're doing well. Heart. A random hero, I am doing fantastic, and thank you for wishing me well. I hope everyone, including random hero here, I hope everyone, including a random hero here, is having a great day. The sun's up, the birds chirping, you're making some moolah in your AMC, GME, and Dogecoin stocks. You know what? It's a good day. You have a roof over your head, you have some food, a hot meal, you have great company. That is what life's about. Life is all about great company, man. That's the one thing you cannot buy, great company. Okay, don't worry, folks. I will cover Dogecoin. I just want to finish up AMC and GME, and then I will move back. All right, just want to give you a quick clarification of what's going down. So GME pretty much did a little S here, right? So it kind of went down, kind of went up, and it kind of closed back to where it opened at. So that's not, so that isn't necessarily a sign of strength right there. Let's see, yep. It opened up and it closed lower than where it opened at. So for AMC, I'm sorry, for GME, that is not a bullish sign usually. So, but currently though, GME is still in an uptrend though. Let me do a quick drawing here, right? GME is still in an uptrend, so well, it's obviously not drawing a scale, but you get the point though. So GME did close at the upward, GME did close at the trend line. So at the very least, GME is doing well in that regard. All right, let's see here. Let's see about also AMC. All right, let's see. So AMC is seeing a similar fashion where it tapped the trend line and it bounced off of it. So they're both doing well overall though. But of course, if you're AMC, just be careful, okay, folks? Do not get suckered into the AMC is going to 1,000, 1 million, okay? I mean, it could, but you know what? Sell into the strength and do it every day, and eventually you walk away with a good profit margin. So I've done GME and I've done AMC. Let's go ahead and go into Dogecoin now, all right? Dogecoin, bye-bye. Alberto R says, hey John, I told my cousin about your channel. He tuned in this morning and bought the AMC dip and made some moolah. He's on a flight back home and wanted me to thank you if you came on. Fantastic. Well, tell your Alberto R, tell your cousin I said what's up, Primo, and you're very welcome, and I'm glad you made some moolah. Doge fam is #1, baby. So now let's go to Dogecoin now, okay? Let's see what is Dogecoin doing. Okay, so Dogecoin has broken down below our pink box, and I was saying we need to stay in that pink box if we want to continue an uptrend, okay? So, oops. Okay. Fantastic. Well, I'm glad you made him subscribe too. I'm glad you made him subscribe. That is fantastic. I need more subscribers. Okay, so, one second, do some water real quick. Okay, so okay, so back to Dogecoin. So again, we broke down below our little pink box here. So that isn't necessarily good for Dogecoin. So anything above 42.11 is a resistance and a sell-off point. So now we're seeing weakness and seeing a pullback. As you know, when Bitcoin listed, when Coinbase listed Bitcoin, it rose up, and then then the day of listing here, right, it started to sell off and go down and do a pullback. Okay, check it out here. We saw a full moon mark here, right? We saw a full moon mark, right, indicating a new bull run here, and we did see a price appreciation, and we did see a price appreciation to the upside. Currently, Dogecoin is following my orange little U here, right? Little U and arrow here. So far, Dogecoin is following the upward trend. So this is a very good sign, but at the same time, we're pulling back, and we're pulling back at a support currently at about 39 cents, right? Dogecoin is currently trading at about 38.89, so it's close enough, right? 1,000th of a penny, whatever, man, it's close enough. So of course, long term for Dogecoin, right, it's still bullish. We can see the Agora ribbon here, reaction ribbon here, right? Still green and still bullish here, so still rising. That's still good. Long term though, Dogecoin is very bullish. Short term, still bearish though. All right. So let's go ahead, and the most important thing is that we broke out of the downward channel. I've been showing this to you, ladies and gentlemen, for some time now, and the fact that we broke out of it is phenomenal. Of course, when we broke out of it though, it was almost like magic. Once we broke out of the channel, guess what? The same day, we saw Coinbase throwing out the news saying, you know what? We're gonna list Dogecoin on Coinbase Pro. So it's quite interesting to see. That is very, very good to see. So we kind of saw a double whammy, right? Double whammy. From a technical perspective here, we broke out of the downward channel. The second thing is, guess what? We saw a fundamental news change with Coinbase Pro listing Dogecoin. So man, oh man, I gotta say, man, I have to say, with Dogecoin in the news, it almost feels like, call me a cynic here, but it almost feels planned. Every time I see a little pullback or a downtrend or whatever is here, right? The same time, on the same day it breaks out, from a technical perspective here, we see bullish fundamental news drop at the same time. Almost every single time. It's honestly quite phenomenal, and I have to be a little skeptical about it. It seems a little sketch and suspect. Not sure how you guys feel about that, but of course I'm not trying to give you guys some of my my conspiracy theories. I'm just saying the timing is always impeccable, and it's quite concerning at the same time. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so again, we broke down below our purple, our pink box here. And now we're seeing a pullback on the 4-hour perspective. Daily driven AMG, hey John, regular Coinbase has Doge now, really? Really? That's cool. Fantastic. I don't have a Coinbase account, but maybe I should make a Coinbase account. Just for that. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that. It's not serious. But you know what? It's fantastic. I'm glad Coinbase is listing Dogecoin as well. That's great. Well, wonder why Doge didn't pump with Coinbase news. As Captain Obvious, it absolutely did. Okay? It absolutely did pump here. You see this yellow circle here, guys? Do you see this yellow circle here? This yellow circle right here was around the time when the Coinbase news dropped. When it dropped, we saw a nice push up, and guess what? Now when the news is actually reality, now we're seeing a slight pullback, a slight, I guess, sell-off, you would say. Okay. Coinbase is the #1 crypto platform? Sure. Let's see, is it really the #1 platform? Let's see here. Ah. Okay. So the key thing note here, folks, there's the key thing here, folks. 56 million verified users. So this is actually phenomenal here, right? 100+ countries supported. Very interesting to see that. And then it says you can earn up to $25 worth of crypto. That's cool. Get 5,000 free Bitcoin for signing up. Oh, wow. That's cool. Maybe I should do that. Let's see what the prices are. What are the prices? Are there fees for are there fees? I don't know.
Then shop at Ralph's. We give you more ways to save on the fresh you love.
Are there fees on Coinbase? That's a good question. I don't know. There could be, there may not be. I don't know. I haven't really looked into Coinbase before, so 9 cents. Okay, okay. There are fees. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. So I'm hoping though, if they told you fees, hopefully they don't hopefully they don't sell your information though, right? Oh, my neck is killing me lately. Oh man, neck is killing me. Let's see, $4 for $100 worth. What? Okay. Let's see. Yes, pretty high fees if you ask me. Yes, you see Coinbase. That's why I use the term tradable coins. That's on the Coinbase platform. Go for it, Hey John. I'm on Coinbase. It's the best. Yes, there are some fees and rewards. Okay. I just got rewarded 1.5 shares of Polygon Matic on Coinbase. Real talk. What do you mean rewarded? DJ Lord Buck, did you stick your coins or something? What do you mean? I'm assuming. Yeah, okay, that's good, man. I'm glad you got some. That's cool. I got $25 for free by answering some questions. That's cool. Ah, okay. You know what? Maybe I should open a Coinbase account. By the way, does Coinbase let you stake coins? Does Coinbase let you stake coins? I don't know about that one. That's kind of why I like crypto.com so much because you can stake your coins there. Ah. Okay. So again, on the 4-hour perspective, we're seeing a pullback to support at around 389, 39 cents around there. So it's a pretty good support. Oh, you can? Very cool. Very cool. I'm glad you can stake your coins there. What's the percentage anyways on Coinbase? Let me see. I'm kind of curious now. Sidetrack. Let's see. Let's see. Buy and sell. All right. Let's see. Start course. Ah, I see. Very cool. Oh, wow. How interesting. This is a very interesting concept for Coinbase. They're actually educating you and they reward you with that cryptocurrency. Wow. That's very interesting to see. You know what? That's a very good concept too. Because then if you understand what it is, you're more likely to invest into it, right? That's kind of why I'm making these videos here and giving you guys and gals here technical analysis. And I've been saying this for a very long time here. When you watch my videos here, right? I educate you on fundamentals, the news, and I educate you guys on technical analysis. And the more educated you are in something, the more likely you are, the more likely you are to invest into it. So it's quite interesting that that Coinbase is doing a similar strategy or similar idea, or they have a similar ideology as me. So very cool. That's very cool. I like that. So far I like what I see as Coinbase as a company. As you can tell, I never really looked into them before. So this is very cool though. Wow, very cool. Wow. Oh, okay. They don't have Monero. How interesting, right? They don't have they do not have Monero. That's very interesting to see. They don't have VeChain. They don't have Solana. They don't have a lot of things here. How interesting. Let's see here. Can you see all of them? Let's see. Cypher, Orchid, Engine. Really? They have Engine? Wow, that's bizarro. The OMG network? What the heck? That's funny. Telor, okay. So they don't have a lot of cryptocurrencies here. Their selection is quite small actually. I wonder why it's so small. You would think they would have a larger selection here, right? Huh. Yeah. I do see that. Very interesting to see. Coinbase Pro has more. Okay. Does it? Well, let's see. Coinbase Pro. Let's see. What is Coinbase Pro? The most trusted platform for trading cryptocurrency. Let's see. What are fees here? Up to 10K. Maker. Okay. So about 1% of fee. Okay. It's not bad, I guess. Let's see here. What do we have here? Okay. Okay, interesting. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they want a certain amount of liquidity here. They don't want just any scrub coming in to buy stuff here, right? So that makes sense. Cancel only, that's interesting. What does that mean? Cancel only. Oh wow. You have way more here on Coinbase Pro. Let's see. Nope. Okay, well, definitely interesting to see. Yeah, Tether is definitely interesting here, right? Yeah, very selective. Oh. Scott Martin, sub brother, do you think 378 was a bottom? That's hard to say right now. That's hard to say because we're seeing a current support around 39 cents there, and we're kind of testing it. As Scott Martin, I don't know. Let me see though. Let me see. Oh, okay. Okay. This could be the next rise up here. Well, currently we're seeing a hill here, so I'm seeing some bearishness happen for Dogecoin currently. It's seeing some bearishness here. And to be expected, right? When a Coinbase list, I'm sorry, when the Coinbase news drops right here, right? It's no longer a rumor, it's now a news, and people are selling the news right here, right? So what I mean by that is that people bought the rumors right here, right? This red or pinkish circle here, right? People bought the rumor, and now it looks like they are selling the news here, right? Let's make it, I guess blue. So definitely interesting to see there. Coinbase was a catalyst. You're seeing the rumor and the news. When it drops, you're seeing a pullback now. Let's see here. Potentially around 37. You know what? As Scott Martin, 37.8 could be a potential support zone as well, right? I do believe that could be a very good bounce off zone as well, but currently we are still in a short-term bear trend, so just things to be aware of. There's never a guarantee with anything here, especially cryptocurrencies. On the 1 hour perspective, it's even more evident that we're seeing a pullback here. Well, Dogecoin is already on Coinbase, buddy. At Kamal, Kamal, it's already there. It's on Coinbase Pro and Coinbase apparently. So it's definitely interesting. Okay. And now we're seeing another pullback here. You're seeing another hill here, right? And the reason why Dogecoin is doing so bad nowadays, it isn't because of rumors or news or anything. It's because most of the meme folks, right? Most of the meme folks are still in AMC and GME. Some are pulling out and they're coming to Dogecoin, but they're coming in for a quick pop and drop. They aren't, you know, most folks, let's be honest here, folks. Let's be honest here. Most people in the Wall Street Bets community, they're not investors. Most of them are going to be day traders for the most part. They want to push it up and sell off and move on to the next thing. But at the same time, right, there are some investors too. What's his name? The guy on GME, I forgot his name, but he was very big on Reddit. You know, a few like weeks ago. What's his name again? Ah, my God. Well, you know what? I can't remember his name. Doesn't matter. But he basically holds his call options for a very long time. You know what? I'll look up later. Doesn't really matter that much anyways, to be honest. It doesn't matter that much anyways. So yeah, so Dogecoin is definitely pulling back and even more evident in the 1 hour perspective here. All right, so next support could be at around 37.8, could be a potential bounce zone. But I would say a stronger support would be around 35.8, okay? 358 would be a stronger support because that's where the Agora ribbon, well, because that's where the Agora reaction ribbon is currently at, so. And usually that's a combination of several moving averages, so I would say around there, we should bounce from there in my opinion. Yes, there you go. Deep effing value, yes. Breach Bill Gates, thank you for letting me know, bro. Yes, deep effing value. That's him. That's him. That's him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But now he's kind of gone now, right? I mean, a few weeks back, right? A few weeks back, the guy was on like CNBC Marketplace. He was everywhere, you know, interviews, yada yada yada. Now he is just another mean Wall Street person. Just move to the side now. That's kind of how it is for the most part. But of course, any trade you do, right? Any trade you do, you need to have conviction, and your conviction must be strong. And the reason why I'm so into Dogecoin and I don't really day trade it or anything is because the community for Dogecoin is so phenomenal, so unique, that is a good enough reason alone to just invest into Dogecoin. And as you know, Dogecoin doesn't have the best technology, the best utility, and blah blah blah. But what they do have the best of is the community. And nowhere else have I ever seen this in all my years of trading here. I have never seen a community like this before. Never ever. So that's the reason why I'm so into Dogecoin. That's kind of why I invest my money into it, personally speaking. Oh, VeChain is doing well too. Yes, VeChain is doing very well. Do you know when exactly Coinbase will list Doge? I believe it's today, no? For the chat, everyone is saying the folks with a Coinbase account, they are both, you know, listed on Coinbase Pro and Coinbase. So folks, give me a quick second. Give me a quick second, folks. 1 second here. I'll be back very, very quick. I just need to get something really quick here. Give me a second.
We are ready to get you there. KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines. Book your flight today on klm.com.
All right. Thanks for waiting, folks. Thanks for waiting, folks. Just had to do something really quick, like super quick. Thanks for waiting. I'm back again. Let's see here. Yep. Dogecoin is on Coinbase Pro and Coinbase. All right, so on the 1 hour perspective here, we're seeing a pullback right now. All right, around 39 cents. That's cool though. And now we're kind of breaking down below the support here. So let me go into a shorter time frame to get a better perspective. Did I wash my hands? Why? Why would I wash my hands? I didn't go to the restroom. Okay, I don't know, but yeah, good guess though. Oh, you guys think I went to the restroom? Okay, gotcha. No. I didn't go to the restroom though. And by the way, I always wash my hands though. Okay, just want to clarify real quick. Not that it really matters to be honest, but Scott Martin, why wouldn't it go up? Scott Martin, why wouldn't it go up? There are more buyers now. Well, at the same time, right? Even though Coinbase Pro and Coinbase has listed Dogecoin, as you know, many people still do not know. I mean, check it out. For instance, people in the live stream right here, right? People in the live stream are saying, hey, you know what? Is Dogecoin listed on Coinbase? Even people here who are more active investors, active traders in their own Dogecoin investments here in the cryptocurrency market. Even they didn't know. Even they didn't know that that Dogecoin is listed on Coinbase Pro and Coinbase. So just imagine the broader public here. There's even fewer people that there are even fewer people that people that know. So just give it time for the news to percolate and circulate. So when that happens here, give it a few days and then it'll just get going. I should tweet the news. I have too many things to do in one day, so I try to do as much as I can. But yeah, you know what? I should be more active on Twitter sometimes. Well, folks here are reporting it's on Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. I believe you just need to refresh or whatever is your app or whatever you're using, you know. But anyway, so back to the 15-minute perspective. All right, we're seeing a pullback, we're seeing a short-term downtrend, and that, you know, that shouldn't be surprising you guys, because I was saying here when I did this analysis a few days ago, I was saying when Bitcoin, I believe Mary M told me or researched and helped me out here, right? She was saying that Bitcoin was listed on December 13 to 19 or something around there, and we did a back test in 2017 until now, and we saw what happened, right? Bitcoin had a 19-day run up, and after that, once the news dropped, it sold off after that for some time. So obviously my numbers are a little skewed now because it was from a few days ago, so my memory has faded a little bit. So just, of course, you know, it's good enough, right? It doesn't have to be that precise, but the point is that you get the point. So as you know, now Dogecoin is seeing a similar phenomenon. The rumor, the news came out, it rose up. The day of, the news drops, it sells off, and we're seeing us mirror Bitcoin almost exactly. So let's see here on the 15-minute perspective here, right? We are currently breaking down below the 39-cent support here. So now we're seeing the 39 cents become a potential resistance. Oh man, that's no bueno. That's no bueno. Let's make sure we make 39 cents a support and not a resistance, okay? And the reason why this is very important here, I believe I've been saying this for the past couple of days, right? And we do not want to see this happen, okay? Where we see this and then this here, okay? And when you see these two, where is it at? 1 second. Let me make sure I can select it. You know what? Let me do it again. I hate drawing because I gotta always delete it. It's so annoying. All right. Let's see. When you go here, right? All right, cool. So, do you see these two? 1 second here. All right. Here you go. Do you guys, I'm sorry, well, do you ladies and gentlemen see these two red circles here, right? This means that these two red circles are indicative of a potential, right? A potential lower high. If that happens, that means we are confirming a downtrend, all right? And you never want to see a downtrend. Okay, but I do want to give you guys something to note here, okay, folks? All right, I do want to give you something very, very important here, okay? And this is not FUD, okay? All right, let me make sure I explain to you guys. This is not FUD whatsoever. This is what I see on the charts here, and you must be aware of it. I don't like to I do not like to present this news to you guys, but this is a very, very bad thing for Dogecoin, and let me explain to you why, okay? You will not see anyone else give you this kind of information. If they do, it's and by the way, I guarantee you, no one else is giving you this chart perspective. If they do, it's because they watch my live stream and they're copying me. So let me give this to you right now, okay? This is gonna be phenomenal news. Well, not phenomenal, but it'll definitely be a brain teaser though, okay? So let me draw it for you guys right now, okay? Let me pick a color here that is very bold. All right, let's see here. Here we go. Let's see here. Let's change the color. Let's make it like, what's a good color here? Let's see. Let's try yellow. Yes, let me do yellow. I think yellow would be a very good bold color so you can see it very clearly here, okay? So here, okay? All right. Okay, I don't like reporting this kind of stuff here, but you know, it is what it is here. I give you guys the good, the bad, the ugly here. Do you see this yellow line here, okay? Do you see this yellow chart pattern here, okay? This is a head and shoulders on the 4-hour time frame. Usually when you see a head and shoulders right here, right? That is a bearish sign, okay? The head is this red circle right here. And then these two, where is it at? Right here, right? This, so you're seeing these 3 red circles here, right? In the yellow line here, okay? Now you're seeing a head and shoulders on the 4-hour perspective. So this means that, you know, this is following the chart pattern here, right? And now we're seeing it actually kind of line up here because, as you know, whenever Coinbase lists a cryptocurrency, it's gonna pull back and sink. And now we're seeing this technical chart pattern unfold right here, right? And now you've seen Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that get listed, right? That get listed, and then they pull back. So we could potentially see a similar phenomenon here, okay? So obviously this is not bullish news here. It's actually quite bearish, but you know, it be what it be. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it now because I don't want to clean the charts later on. So let me go ahead and clean up the charts now because I don't want to keep on deleting in the future. So if you watch my channel, you know what's going on, all right? You know what's going on. So in my opinion here, this is no bueno, all right? I see a lot of cryptocurrencies whenever they get listed on Coinbase, they break down, and from a technical perspective here, that means we're going to see a breakdown as well. I mean, this is kind of like, you know, in my opinion here, this is what you would call a perfect storm. It's not bullish, but you know, it's one of those things. The Coinbase curse, yeah, right? And I was telling you guys here as well, right? As well, you need to stay in this pink box here, and the fact that we pierced into the pink box and now we broke down below it so fast is not a good thing for Dogecoin. Yes, I am not, and please understand that I'm not trying to incite FUD. You know, I'm just giving you guys the good, the bad, the ugly, so you can prepare for it. Right? Information is power, and if you know what's going to happen, right? Or at least if you have a good idea of the trend of where it's going, then you know what? You can do very well. So hopefully you guys don't take this as fear, okay? I'm not trying to give you guys fear and make you guys panic sell or whatever. You know what I mean? I'm just trying to make sure you guys. I just want to make sure you guys are aware of it so you can prepare. All right. Giselle Perez says, what of the alien tweets? I don't know. I like Giselle. She's funny. I like Giselle Paris. She's funny. One of these days, Giselle Paris, you should come on to the Hey Jon show and do a little chit chat with me. You know, we can do a little chit chat, a little talky talk, because you seem funny, and I like what you say because I find it quite interesting. I like what you say because it's pretty funny. So if you were to come on for a quick, 10-minute Zoom chit chat, you're more than welcome to. Let me know. Alien tweets. I love it. That's funny. Scott Martin, if that happens, where is the best to buy a dip? Well, I mean, let me see. So Giselle Paris, my offer stands. Okay, if you want to ever come on Zoom and talk to me for 10 or 15 minutes, it doesn't have to be for very long or anything. Just a quick chit chat between Dogecoin fans, right? Let's see here. Let's see here. So as far as Scott is saying, where is the pullback here, right? Well, normally speaking, when you see a head and shoulders pattern here, right, it'll be something like this here. So that means that when it pulls back down, let's make this color here. Let's see. So that means it'll have to break down below 30 cents, okay? Around 30 cents, it'll break down, all right? And from then on, it's hard to say, okay? It depends on how far it breaks down, and then from there, from that point on, we just need to watch it. So I'm gonna get rid of that stuff there because I don't want to leave there all the time because I don't always want to keep on cleaning because I don't always want to clean my charts. It's a lot of hassle for me, so. So Scott Martin, around 30 cents is a key place to watch. And I guarantee you, once I drop this news here for you guys, tomorrow, the following few days here, this will spread out and you will see other YouTubers with more views than me and they will start reciting the same stuff as me here. It's always funny to see. Let's see here. Urza Goldsmith, what do you think of the 15-day period? What do you mean? I don't understand. At Goldsmith, what do you mean by 15-day period here? AMC is showing some weakness here, right? When I covered AMC, like, I don't know, half an hour ago or something, I will think AMC has an inside candlestick. So that means that when you see an inside candlestick, that means you're seeing a smaller and smaller trading range. Scott Martin, that's because you always have the best plays. So when I tell you guys this news here, right, it's not to incite fear. It's so you know what's going on and so you can trade accordingly. So that means that if you are buying, dips or whatever, right? Or if you're day trading, Dogecoin here, right? Make sure if you are going long here, make sure you're doing a very short-term trade here, as in you aren't going long for a long time. So just please be aware of what's going to happen here and in the days to come, and don't be concerned if you see a pullback. All right, don't be concerned because you've already been informed that that will probably happen, and you are aware of it. So you shouldn't fear it whatsoever. You should have no fear whatsoever. Let's see, what else should I cover here today, right? I'm pretty sure that's about it right now, so. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. let me go ahead and open up the floor, okay? I will cover five total stocks or cryptocurrencies. And of course, if it's a stock here, right, make sure you let me know the stock or cryptocurrency, right? Like say VET stock or something. I'm sorry, VET like crypto, BB stock or whatever. So let me go ahead and do VET. All right, let's see what is VeChain doing. And please, for the love of God, okay? Please, for the love of God, do not spam, okay? There is no need to spam, all right? Let's do VeChain and see what's going down, all right? Let's be adults here and not spam, okay? VeChain, all right, let's see what's going down with VeChain. From the daily perspective here, okay, VeChain is showing some nice poise. Nice, I like it. I like it. Okay, VeChain is doing great right now, okay? VeChain has a current downtrend here, right? Currently seeing a downtrend, right? And now we're seeing a uptrend unfold here. So this is good. This means VeChain has to break around 19 cents, okay? If VeChain can break 19 cents or 19.6 around there, that means that they can break the downtrend and they can continue a new bull cycle. So that is something we have to see and watch for sure. Okay, let's see. What else do we see here? Let's see. What else do you want to cover? Let's see. All right, Shiba Inu, sure. Let's do Shiba Inu. Why not? Why not, man? Why not? Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. Nope. Let's not use that one. That's too short. Let's try Binance. Oh, what? Okay, okay. Wait, is right? Yeah, right. Shib, yeah. Shib. Okay. I could have sworn Sheep had a longer time frame though. Oh, Uniswap, that's what it was. There you go, Uniswap. There you go. There we go, Uniswap. That's what it was. I was like, why? This is the one thing I don't like about cryptocurrencies. There's always like so many like different platforms. It's kind of annoying. As far as a chart perspective goes here, so let's see here. Okay, so Shiba Inu broke out of a downward channel here, a downward trend here, right? And now it's kind of flatlining. Okay, it's flatlining here. So it's doing some consolidation right now, right? Some of the supports, let's see, some of the supports here. Let's see, what are these supports real quick? All right. Okay. Supports, you know what? I'm not gonna read the supports because there are so many zeros. But I'll say 7.5 and 9.7 are two supports right there. Now let's see if the Shiba Inu bulls can pop out of 97, okay? If that could happen, we could see a potential new bull run here. So just things to watch out for. Let's see, what else do we see here? SNDL, sure, why not? I'm seeing a bunch of SNDLs here. That's Sundial here, right? I think Sundial, the cannabis, cannabis stock or whatever. It's Canada cannabis stock. There you go. All right, so let's see. I believe I covered Sundial yesterday here, right? Check it out. Check it out. My resistance at around 148. I told you guys yesterday. Around 147, it's gonna be resistance. Guess what? It tapped it and it got rejected off it. Of course, Sundial gapped up as well, and you know what? That's bullish, but at the same time, whenever you see gaps, they always get filled. I'm not saying it'll happen today or tomorrow, but gaps always get filled, so please be aware of that. So again, 147 is going to be the resistance to watch. If it could break that, then you know what? It can continue the bull run. But if it cannot, then you know what? It made for the gap. So just things to be aware of, okay? It will be Friday, which is tomorrow's Friday, and then you have a weekend here. So folks may get scared and they may sell off into the weekend. Just food for thought, right? And of course, as you know, this is also a short week. So I covered 3 so far. I need 2 more to go. 2 more to go. Let's see what else is here. Okay. BB, sure. I think BB is BlackBerry. BB. Okay, BlackBerry. BlackBerry, let's see here. Okay, I showed another resistance around 2022. Guess what? BB hit that and it rejected. BB hit 2022 and it got rejected off it almost like to a T here, right? Let's see here. So yeah, I mean, BB is pretty much right now. BB is currently at 1588 right here, right? That's in between the 2 support and resistance. So currently BB is in no man's land. If you want to day trade it, maybe. If you want to go long, absolutely not. Okay. Look for a position. I would say around maybe 12 bucks. 12, maybe 12.25 could be a good dip buying position around 12.25. Of course, I want to make sure I emphasize I do not give financial advice. Purely my opinion of what I see on the charts. Always do your own due diligence. DNN, okay. Let's see what is D. Oh, wait, what Elon tweeted? Really? Is that fake news or for reals? Let me check it, man. Let me check it. Elon Musk just tweeted. Let's see what he say here. Where is my Twitter at? Here we go. Twitter. Tweets. Let's refresh it. Let's see here. Her, I know you said it would be over between us if you quoted another Linkin Park song, but I found someone else, him. So in the end, does it even matter? Holy cow. Wow, that's savage. That's savage, wow. That's savage. Is this a sign that Elon Musk is relieving himself of his Tesla Bitcoin position? Oh man, that could send shockwaves to the markets. No bueno if you're in. Wow, this is very scary, folks. That is very scary, man. If I don't know, man. I don't know, folks. That is a scary tweet, in my opinion. Oh yeah, DNN, right? Let's go ahead and do DNN now. DNN. Okay, so currently DNN can see some resistance at 165 and a support at 106 right now. And currently DNN is in no man's land. And I don't know, man. I don't know about those kind of tweets from Elon Musk, dude.
This year we learned
Sometimes I think Elon Musk just shouldn't tweet, right?
When you fly again,
Because many people will, because lots of people will misinterpret what he says, And that is never good for the Dogecoin market.
on KLM.com.
I mean, I love Dogecoin, but I love Elon Musk, but sometimes his tweets are no bueno. Check it out. Once that tweet dropped, now we're pulling back some more here. I'm pretty sure Bitcoin is doing the same thing as well. Let's see, what is Bitcoin doing now? Let's see, BTC USD. Here we go. Okay, see? You see that right there? Once Elon Musk dropped that tweet, Bitcoin started sinking. And of course, when Bitcoin sinks, as you know, Dogecoin sinks. I mean, that's no bueno. But it be what it be, right? It be what it be. Saw a nice hard drop. I mean, again, folks, I don't want to, hit on, again, I am a huge Elon Musk fanboy. Huge Elon Musk fanboy. I'm just saying the man needs to not tweet so much sometimes, right? His tweets aren't always good for the markets. I mean, I understand when he tweets about Tesla shorts, it's for self-preservation and for self-gain. But when he does this kind of stuff here, right? Unless he's invested into it, he's kind of hurting us. I mean, but again, the man is a visionary, He may be playing checkers and chess here, right? Who knows, man? Who knows? That's true, though. That's true. Of course, if you believe in cryptocurrency, right? If you believe in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, etc., this just means you are seeing more dip buying opportunities, right? And you're seeing the culling of the weak. Yeah, there could be games being played, right? There could be, but nobody knows, right? Unless you're Elon Musk, or if you're like, attached to his hip, nobody knows, man. Could be though. I hope so. Right on. Logan HD, I'm kind of annoyed with Elon at this point. Well, you know what? I'm sure many people are annoyed with him for sure, right? I mean, everyone says he's the man for the people, but when he drops these kind of tweets there, right? I mean, they can't be good. I read it for a quick second. I said it's pretty bad for Bitcoin and Dogecoin, and guess what? I mean, it started pulling back here, so no bueno. More pullbacks. Holy cow. Yep, grab your chips for the dips. Absolutely, more sell-off here. As the news percolates, as the news percolates and circulates, you're gonna see more pullbacks. It's unfortunate, but it's okay, right? AMC is going to Earth core. It's funny. That's funny. By the way, for anyone new in the trading game here, right? For anyone new here to the trading game, or if you simply do not like Robinhood, my pinned message here, you can get 2 free stocks courtesy of WEBULL. All you gotta do is use my pinned message, create an account with that link, deposit $100, and you will get 2 free stocks courtesy of WEBULL, and you can sell those stocks and buy Dogecoin or buy AMC or GME, up to you, right? So again, if anyone here is new to the game, or if you want a new platform or a more advanced platform compared to Robinhood, WEBULL, you get 2 free stocks and $100 deposit. That's all you gotta do. All right. Use my link in the pinned message, deposit $100, and you will get 2 free stocks courtesy of WEBULL, valued up to about, I believe, $1,800. So could be very cool for you guys. Let's see here. The crypto market is Elon's playground. Simple as that. Absolutely. The Grinch, hey John, check out Coinbase Twitter page. Okay, the Grinch, why don't you tweet me the message, okay? At the Grinch, why don't you tag me in the message there, and then I will and let me know, and then I will check that message, because sometimes when I look into the message here for Twitter, I don't find it and it takes too long. So if you can please just tweet me that message and tag me on it, I will check it out for you guys. Thank you so much, the Grinch. Throws another 250. That's funny. Bitcoin is absolutely tanking here, right? Once that tweet dropped, we are now down about 2%. We're seeing a 2% drop since that tweet dropped. Holy moly, that is no bueno for sure. Yep. Well, I wouldn't say Bitcoin is taking the market down. I would say Elon Musk is taking the market down right here, right? Because obviously Elon Musk tweeted it out, so one of those things, man. One of those things. But at the same time, you have to wonder, right? When Elon Musk dropped those kind of tweets, he knows he is seeking Bitcoin. So I suspect him and his friends are trying to buy some Bitcoin or Dogecoin for cheap. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, it was very fun here. It was very fun. We covered AMC, we covered GME, we covered Dogecoin, we covered 5 different stocks or cryptos. Please make sure you guys and gals subscribe, like, and notify. So when I come on live, you get these hits, okay? So please take care, and of course, do only good every day, all right? And of course, I will catch you on the next live stream.